as has already been stated by our party president, the former Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik, that we really salute the bravery and the valor of our armed forces, the way they have avenged the barbarism that was shown at Pahalgam. And not only have they destroyed the terror infrastructure, but even have given a very strong message to the sponsor of terror, that is the Pakistan state, who had been using it as an instrument of state policy. I think in the all-party meeting, the Biju Janata Dal had already stated that they are with the government in the entire action that they are proposing to take against terrorism and the sponsors of terror. Since the Operation Sindoor 2.0 is still continuing, as I understand, I think the detailed elaboration of it may not be necessary at this stage. One thing is suffice to say that, yes, indeed, a very strong message has been given to Pakistan. A strong message has been given to the terror infrastructure and the terrorists over there, that wherever they are inside Pakistan, India is in a position to hit them and annihilate them. The second point, I think, which the Prime Minister made in his speech, is the threshold, that the threshold for attack, now it has come in the form of a new doctrine, that is, any act of terror would be considered as an act of war against India. I think the message is very clear, and this message has been delivered by the Prime Minister, reiterated in today's address to the nation. Right, absolutely. I mean, the terror and trade cannot go together, just as blood and water cannot go together. This has been the stated position of India right from before. I think he has reinforced it, and there is a certain amount of reinforced sincerity and seriousness to what India is saying now to Pakistan.
And nuclear blackmailing is also not.
That's right. That's an important statement. That nuclear blackmailing, international border, crossing over LOC. Now these things don't matter as far as terrorism is concerned anymore for India. Wherever there is an act of terror against India or Indian citizens, I think the message that is now going from our country is that it would be dealt with severely, retaliated in that intensity, and we are in the position to handle any situation.